Okay, so we're just gonna go over real quick how to make um, how to make a quick design and sell it in Teespring. So first off, I am using Canva. I'm using the 4500 by 5400 Canva space, black background. That's just what I put because black t-shirts sell the most. I'm going to grab this free graphic out of VectEasy. It's free download, so I'll just use my snipping tool for that. And then I'm going to go and paste that in here. All right, and I'm not going to mess around too much with the color or anything. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background, which you only have the background remover with a premium Canva account, but there's free background remover that you can use online. I can show you that if you really need me to. But anyway, usually I would mess around with this and make it white, but again, right now I'm just showing you how to do this, so we're not going to worry about color. So I'm going to go here up to share. I'm going to go to download. I want a transparent background. Download. We're going to wait for it to save. All right. Now I am going to go over here. Now you have to go in, open the shop, all that stuff. But it is this easy. You go to upload art right here. Of course, the internet's going to drag because I'm making a screencast. And this one, again, oh my gosh, it's so much easier than Redbubble and some of the others. You click to upload. We'll go in here. And sometimes it can take a little bit to upload if it's a more complicated graphic, but something like this that's real simple, it usually puts it in right away. As I say that, it takes a while to process. Anyway, but it really is a lot quicker. You'll see why here in a second. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm going to go down. We'll go through all this in a second, but right now I'm just going to put, I'm not going to keep this one, but I'm just going to put cat, okay? All right, so now for your main tag, I'm going to put cat, and then it actually gives you all of these other tags that you can use. You can put up to 15, but it's really handy because instead of you having to come up with your own, it'll suggest them. You can type them in like that if you want, but for a lot of the time, it is just so much easier just to go ahead and use these tags, okay? But for right now, I'm just going to put all those in there. Now, this right here is pretty important. Does it contain mature content? No, it doesn't. The only thing is, if you put yes, then it won't let you put it on the 4 bottom designs right here. The kids hoodie, kids long sleeve, and the onesie. But otherwise, just put no. Now, right here, when you go to the t-shirt, you are going to basically be picking the background color for all the designs, okay? So I'm going to pick black. You notice it selected black for all of them except the baseball tee. And my kid is here with me, and he's watching the Sunny Bunnies in the background, so you might hear him making some noise. Anyway, so for this baseball tee, I'll just go with that one, okay? But you can. Now, what you'll notice when you come down here, I'm just scrolling down. You see all of these other products. See how the background on them is black, okay? But let's say, for instance, you go to this one, and you want to change the background color on all of these, okay? So you click on here, and I don't know, say you want it to be that color, okay? On all of the products for the background, the main background, okay? Now, they'll still have the option when they go to shirts to pick a different color shirt, but let's just say, for instance, that for wall art, notebooks, everything else, you want this red background. Well, you click on that, then you click this little dropper looking thing. It'll say set background color. You can put apply background color to all products. Okay, now you notice it changed it on all of them. Okay, and you can do that for any one. You can do that by clicking on any one of these. Okay, but I am going to leave this one at black and then apply to all of them. And the only things I've really noticed, but you notice how it automatically put them in and sized it for all of them. That is so freaking easy compared to other ones like Redbubble, which I do sell more stuff on Redbubble, but this one just makes it so much quicker and easier to upload them. The only ones I usually have to resize, sometimes I have to resize the button. And with the stickers, you can go with die cut and background, or you can make it a rectangle and make it different sizes, or you can just go like that. And you can do that on the magnet as well. You can pick like a circle magnet if you want, stuff like that. But anyway, once you're done looking at these, and usually, like I said, those are the only couple I really have to mess around with. Let's say it is a lighter colored design, like let's say it's a white graphic, and obviously you don't want it to show, it's not going to show up on, say, a shirt like this. Then you can just go here and click dark, and it'll only select the dark colors. And you can hover over right here and see if it's going to show up there. Like, see how I'm hovering here, and you can kind of see the image up there. So you can see what you can still select these if you want to, okay? Or you can go light, you can go all, I think you see what I mean. Okay, but anyway, once you're done doing that, you go down here, you click, I have the right to put this on there, yada, 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 publish, and there you go. There it is. It is that simple. That is all there is to it for putting it on there. You can go up to my account, click on my storefront, and it'll show you all your designs. But it is a really, really easy platform to sell on. All right, so hopefully that helps. If you have any questions about anything, let me know.